So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to download or get the ByBit application on your PC or laptop. So first, open your Google Chrome or just simply open a web browser of your preference, and after that, search for ByBit. Once you search for ByBit, click the first link that pops up, and once you already click on that, you will see here beside the login and the sign up this logo. You just have to toggle on that and you will see a QR code right here, and it says scan to download app. After that, you will see more download options right here. You could just click on that and you will see here, which is the download ByBit app today, which is it is available on iOS. Just click or scan on it. So when you toggle here, you will see the QR code that is downloadable for the iOS. And when you toggle right here, you can also see the QR code downloadable for Android. Also, in laptop or desktop, you won't be able to download it, but you could access or create and log in your account on their website. And that's how you download or get ByBit from your laptop or PC.